guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we are giving the car a proper clean. Not just a shampoo and a rinse, a proper clean. So things we're going to be looking at today, we're going to obviously rinse the car down with the Karcher. We're going to give it a good shampoo, do some tar removal, get rid of the tar on the sides. We're going to get a good clay mitt in so we can get all the contaminants out of the paint, and then we're going to dry it and give it a good wax to protect it for now. So it's a bit windy, it's very windy and very cold still, even though the sun is out, but to be fair, that is perfect conditions for detailing because you're not going to have heat involved, which can dry things prematurely and leave marks, and we don't want to leave any marks. Things I've missed out: one, snow foam, which I would have done that first before we'd done the shampoo with the microfiber mitt, but for two reasons. One, I don't have any snow foam, so I can't do that. And two, I don't know if I've got a snow foam attachment for this. There is a snow foam attachment you can get for the Karcher with an adjustable nozzle on the top. This is the one that's with mine. It's not adjustable. It does have a canister underneath it. It's smaller than the snow foam package you can buy. If you guys can help me, I need to know, can I use this with snow foam? Or can I use this with the foam shampoo that Karcher provide? Let me know and then I can get some ordered. If not, then something else will have to happen. The other thing we won't be doing today is we will not be waxing. We won't be polishing the car with a machine polisher. I'm going to save that for when it gets a little bit closer to show season in a couple of months or so. Then we can give it a good polish and it's nice and fresh, ready to be displayed. So really it's just a deep clean and a protection today. That's the main thing. Oh, and this is actually Francesca's hat, but she hasn't worn it yet, so I'm stealing it for today, you've been told. Okay guys, so the car's nice and rinsed now. We're going to be shampooing the car now, and the shampoo I'm using is Simon Eye's wax-free shampoo. I don't want to be using one with wax on it because I want to make sure that we get every layer of protection, every layer of dirt off, so we can use the clay mitt to get out of the contaminants out of the paint. Doing a 2 bucket method, so you've got your wash bucket full of your shampoo, and you've also got your rinse bucket so you can rinse off your mitt or your sponge or whatever you're using into that, get all the dirt in there, get your fresh suds out of that one. I'm going to be using this microfiber washing mitt, and I absolutely love it. It's perfect, soaks up loads and minimises scratches with your microfiber as long as you look after it. If you can afford one, I do recommend getting some grit guards for your buckets, because you put them in the bottom, gets all the dirt falls through the trap and then can't come back up. I haven't got that at the minute, but at least we've got a 2 bucket method. It's better than the one, put it that way. Let's get it soapy. Okay, now it's time to rinse it off before it dries up. Okay, so now that the car is clean and we've rinsed off any loose dirt, anything like that, we're going to be using the G3 clay mitt, and we're going to take off all the dirty bits that are all stuck into the pores of the paint using this. Because we've done a 2 bucket method, we've still got a clean, soapy bucket, so we're going to use that for lubricant to get the best out of this, see how it works. Obviously this doesn't really like soak up like a wash mitt does. You can feel it already, the grit that's stuck in here. Just do it nice and lightly. God, it's just making it so much smoother. I'm going to be trying to do a panel at a time, just so we know where we've been. If you listen, that's where it's done. You move across. Obviously works. I actually bought some tar remover, guys, that we're going to use for the stubborn bits, but I really underestimated how good this clay mitt would be when it comes. Oi! Salem. How good this will be when it comes to actually just getting tar off itself. It is so good. I mean, let's look at this patch here. Let's see if we can get some faux car bits. Right, you can probably see those now. Let's try and go over that bit there with the mitt. See how good we get. Now that looks like a stubborn, oh no, that's that bit now. Wow. If there's any bits that I miss, that's what the tar removal will be for, because this is, if you've got the patience and the time, same thing. No, they're not. You could probably get it over this. Brilliant. Right, now it's time to dry it off so that we don't get any streaks. I'm using this large microfiber drying towel. It's a lot fluffier on one side than it is the other, so it soaks up quite a lot of water. I'd much prefer using one of these to a leather. I just think it looks after the paint a lot better with it being microfiber, plus it does soak up quite a lot. So, plus you can just give this a good wash afterwards. There's multiple methods you can do it. You can put the whole thing on. We'll fold it in half for now. Do a patting method. So you lay it where you want to put it, pat it down. And lift it up. And it soaks up the water on there. Or this preferred method that I like to do. Pat it down where you want to start. Then, whilst lifting the ends up, or you can literally just pull. Do a straight line. Straight lines are always good with anything. Washing, drying, anything. Minimising them swirls. So the rest of the car. Right guys, what we're going to do now is going to try and get all these last bits of tar off that we can see that the claim it didn't get off. I'm going to be using this. No, it's not Demon Wheel Cleaner. It is his Autoglim tar remover. So I just knocked. Oh my god, I feel sick. Hopefully that's going to get these last bits on. The way you use it, you spray it on, give it a couple of minutes to start dissolving the tar, wipe it off with microfiber towel, and you're good to go. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe it off, give it a bit of a rinse as well, just to make sure there's no residue left, and then dry it with the second one, just a little patch. Just got to be careful of this decal, that's the only thing. Let's see if it works. It does smell quite strong. Right, so we'll give that a minute to dissolve, and then we'll wipe it off. Right, let's see if it comes off. It's been a couple of minutes or so. Oh wow. Straight off. Right, I've got a horrible feeling guys. It's starting to rain. And we haven't waxed the car yet. Right guys, we've come inside for a bit because it is drizzling. It's really annoying because we were pretty much getting to the waxing stage next. I'm sorry, I'm just sorting this tripod out. I'm a bit worried because obviously the rain's going to bring dirty water. Put that on the car after we've actually dried it. So I was wondering whether I could actually dry it again and put the wax on without leaving more crap on the car, which probably will happen. So I've done a quick post on some clubs just to see what the people's opinions were. Brett, thank you again. His suggestion, go around with some quick detailer after the rain's gone. Obviously that's going to pick up all the crap off and we can start again with the wax. Brilliant. Brilliant! What's that? So let you know when it's clear enough to carry on. One thing I do have to explain though, you can probably already, well you've probably already seen, my front wheels are still dirty. That's because when we did the wheel cleaning video, by the time I got them all back on the car, it was going dark, it was freezing, it was just horrible, it was so piercingly cold. And I didn't really want to be jacking the car back up again on the front in pitch black. I wanted to go and get warm and have some tea. So I did. So we've got dirty front wheels for now, but I'll sort them in my own time. Just making a brew whilst this passes. One thing I wanted to mention, especially with the claim it, or if you're claying in general, I found doing the glass and things like that first is probably your best bet. I've felt that there's a lot less friction on the glass before the paintwork. I'm guessing that's because a lot more crap gets into the paintwork than it does into the glass. Plus, you're less likely to scratch your glass if you do that first, rather than getting all the crap out of your paintwork and then putting it onto your glass. I know that clay is meant to pick it up and keep it up light, obviously, but I think that's something that I'm just going to start doing, definitely. Right guys, I've been out and just been finishing off the rest of the tar removal on the car. The weather's not going to pick up in time for me to put the wax on today, which is annoying and worrying because obviously it's decontaminated now. I've used a shampoo that doesn't have a wax in, so it's not protected at all. Hopefully the weather's not going to be that bad tonight, which it's the UK, the weather's bad every night. I've had like a week and a half off work and I'm starting back at work tomorrow at 11 o'clock, so I'm going to see if I can get up early, get the wax on it after we've quick detailed it first in the morning, and then hopefully that'll be it. So I'll see you in the morning. Right guys, it's the next morning. I've got a very small amount of time now before I have to go to work, so I'm going to just try and get as much as I can do before I have to set off, and then possibly my dinner break and things finish it off. I managed to just do the bonnet last night, and it seemed to work quite well. It was like nearly pitch black, so I couldn't really look at it properly, but I'm going to try and do one side of the car now before we go to work. So guys, as you can see already, I've masked off some of the black trim areas because they're the bits that get stained if you get wax on them, so it's good to try and mask them up. I've just used some blue painter's tape. You can grab it off eBay in bundles of how much wherever you want. It's quite cheap, so that's a good thing to get in advance. So like we were doing before, panel at a time, I'm going to be using the Rapid Detailer first to make sure it gets all the surface dust off again from last night, and then we'll apply the wax. Right, I'm sorry guys, it's quite windy. Using this microfiber application pad, I'm going to probably change these to the big block ones because they're easy to get hold of. We're using Chemical Guys but wet wax. Pop in 3 strips, oh, make sure you get it in good shape before you use it. Just dab it on to get it on evenly. The good thing about this wax as well is you don't really need to leave it to set. You can do for a little bit if you want, but you can buff it straight off. Save you time, away you go. To get it off guys, I've got this really nice and soft microfiber towel, like a buffing polish towel. So I'm using one side and the other side too. And there you go, shiny and protected. Hi guys, just literally finished up editing this video. As you can probably tell, I'm completely new to this side of cleaning your car into detail and that kind of thing, so thank you for your patience in watching me do it. Believe me, I made a lot more wrong steps and had to go back that you couldn't see in the video. Like, I had to dry it twice because I accidentally dried it before I cleared it, and it's like, oh, for God's sake. Either way, if you're completely into your detailing and you see some stuff that I did really wrong or I've missed out, like I said in the past video with the wheels, tell me. Give me your ideas to what I should do differently next time, what I've done correctly. People who had no idea before you watch this, what I've just done, now you've learnt something, hopefully not learnt something wrong. I'm sure you guys will let me know if I did something wrong. Don't worry, it's not just going to be like detailing videos from now on. I have got some other cool stuff to be putting in. Something really cool actually, but a few things. You'll know when they come. If you want to know in advance, yeah, just have a look on my Instagram, that kind of thing. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you all so much for watching again, guys. If you do like the videos, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and click the little bell button so that it notifies you when I upload another video. So until next time, guys, like I always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Hi guys, just literally finished it oh my God.